everyone, how are you doing? My name is Barbara and I want to do a video that shows you how to free up your space on your cell phone and your laptop, and we're going to do that in 2 minutes. I'm bored. Come on in. Okay, maybe 3 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to free up space on your cell phone so all the pictures and videos you take on your phone won't be blocked or making your phone slow. So the first thing you need to do is to get an external hard drive. This is mine. I got this at Walmart for 50 bucks. It's a terabyte of size. That's huge. So what I do is what you need to do, excuse me. You get the cable. You get this cable here and you hook it up to your computer, your laptop. You get your cell phone with the same kind of cord that's appropriate for your inputs and outputs. So then what you're going to do, let me pull up a screen here and I'll walk you through it. So open up your File Explorer. Okay. You're going to open up two windows. You're going to right click the File Explorer again. So you're going to take the first one or one of them. You're going to click and hold and you're going to drag it to the left. It's going to open up a half a screen, and then you're going to click on this. So now you have two File Explorers up. The left side, if you look over here, you're going to look for your cell phone, and mine's called Barbara 8. Open that up. Click on the card. Click on DCIM. Click on camera. Now these are all the pictures and videos that are on my camera. All right, so we're going to go to the right side. And you're going to come down and you're going to look for a backup drive. This is the external hard drive. You're going to open that up. These folders are all the folders that I created on this external hard drive. We're going to go to DIY movie, open that up. Go back to the left, and these are the pictures on my cell phone. I'm going to drag one of them over here and just drag and drop. And that's it. It's on the external hard drive. So I hope that was clear enough in simple terms. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you have a great day. I don't know why that was so awkward, but maybe because I'm an awkward person. So I would like to say something. So you wonder, why am I wearing a bathing suit? Because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take a shower inside the van. I hope you like this video, and hope to see you soon in the next video.